Okay, so now we're talking about You Are My Sunshine in our intermediate class, and I want to share with you three chord forms that I found quite a while ago that I absolutely love, and they have open strings, so they have this particularly delightful flavor, and they're up the fretboard. So the three chords that we're talking about are G and C and a D. Not quite doing a 7, but a D chord. And what we're going to do for the G chord is I'm going to the 7th fret and I'm doing a D, I'm sorry, this is for the G form. I'm using a D form to make that G chord. So here's a D here. We know this D. Now I'm going to bring it up to the 7th fret. That is a G with an added second note, which would be the A string. So we're playing all 4 strings. So that's the G. Now I'm going to take that very same form that looks like a D, and I'm going to slide it to the 12th fret. And many of you will have some kind of marker in the binding here that indicates that this is the octave. And that, even though we're playing a D, what looks like a D form, is a C. It's a C6. So for most of the song, we're going back and forth between a G and a C. We have a D7, and it's up in this neighborhood. So the form is going to look like an A form. So I'm going to take my index finger and I'm going to place it on the C string in the 6th fret. Remember, we're going to make something that looks like an A form, but it's not going to sound like an A once we play it. Now with my second finger, my middle finger, I'm going to place it on the G string and in the 7th fret. And I'm playing all 4. This is, we're adding a 2 to this one as well. See, I kind of figured that out by ear. We're adding an E. So here's our 1, 4, 5. Here's our G. Here's our C, and here's our D. And G. So let's just try playing and singing the chorus of that song. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine.